In this video, we'll be going over a few examples of combining linear functions. So we have f of x, g of x, h of x, and j of x. So we can do the first one together. We have f of x plus g of x, so 7x minus 9 plus negative 2x plus 1. So we can combine our like terms. So we have 7x and negative 2x, and negative 9 and a positive 1. So negative 9 plus 1 is negative 8, and 7x plus negative 2x is 5x. And you can also say that is just 7 minus 2x. So the answer for number 1 is f of x plus g of x equals 5x minus 8. And you can pause here and do the next two on your own and come back when you're done and we can check your answers. So now that you've finished, let's go over what you've done. So we have number 2 is h of x plus j of x. So h of x is 3x plus 5 plus negative x minus 11. So again, let's combine our like terms. 3 of x and negative x. Positive 5 and negative 11. So positive 5 plus a negative 11 is negative 6, and 3x plus a negative x is 2x. So h of x plus j of x equals 2x minus 6. And the third one, f of x plus j of x, 7x minus 9 plus negative x minus 11. Once again, separate out your like terms. So negative 9 plus negative 11 is negative 20, and 7x plus negative x is 6x. Okay, so these are a little different. We are subtracting instead of adding. So we'll do the first one together. G of x is negative 2x plus 1, and we have our minus out here, and our h of x is 3x plus 5. So for these, I always find it much easier to add the whole function instead of having to subtract each one. So I'll always turn this one into a positive. We can flip this one, turn it to a negative, and we can also turn this positive into a negative, and I think that's just much easier to look at. So again, I'm just going to rewrite that for you guys. So 2x plus 1 is plus negative 3x minus 5. So now we can just add straight up and down like we did in the previous one. So again, our like terms. So 1 plus a negative 5 is a negative 4, and negative 2x plus negative 3x is negative 5x. So g of x minus h of x equals negative 5x minus 4. And you don't have to flip your signs. I just do that because I think it's a little easier, but for you, if it makes more sense just to leave it and subtract each term individually, you can definitely do that as well. So now if you want to pause this video, you can go and do questions 5 and 6 and then come back when you're finished and we'll look at the answers. So now we are at 5, f of x minus h of x. F of x is 7x minus 9 minus 3x plus 5. So again, we can do what I usually do. So I make that a positive, which means this one's the negative. It means this one. Actually, let's just erase it. Oops. It means this one is also a negative. So then we can combine our like terms. 7x and 3x, and negative 9 and negative 5. So a negative 9 plus a negative 5 is negative 14, and 7x plus a negative 3x is 4x. So f of x minus h of x equals 4x minus 14. And here is the last and final one. G of x minus j of x. G of x is negative 2x plus 1 minus negative x minus 11. Once again, let's flip these signs so these all become positives. Let's go ahead and separate out our like variables. So 1 plus 11 is 12, and negative 2x plus x is negative x. So we have g of x minus j of x equals negative x plus 12. And we're done.